Hi, coming to chic spaces, like when we plan to do our home interiors, we kind of researched a lot of entities like home center, live space, etc., etc. But after looking at few of the reviews in YouTube, we thought, okay, let's go ahead with chic space, and we zeroed in on them. And I said, like initially, being new, we were initially a little skeptical, but as the time went by, based on the assurance that we got from the Shit Space team, we thought that we kind of made up the right choice. And to be with respect to the communication, the execution, the design, I think everything went seamlessly, starting from the initial talks, the design, and after that, the execution part of it, the material selection, everything was absolutely smooth, and everything was completely transparent. So, and at the end of it, the assurance what we got from the Six Pillars team was that they do not compromise on quality. That was the icebreaker, and that gave us the confidence to take it forward. The team, Amrit, Apeksha, Puneet, and Jhalak, I think we would say did a great job. And especially a shout out to Puneet and Jhalak for bearing with us. We had quite a lot of agreements and disagreements, but at the end of it, the end product came out beautiful, and I can say that it's looking more beautiful than what we actually expected. So, thanks to the team, and as I said, initially it started off like a professional way, but it's a kind of more of a personal relationship right now, which we developed all the way. So, thank you, team. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Puneet, and thank you, Jalak, and to Amrit and Apeksha also. So the puja unit really came out very well, as I wished, and even the sit out outside. So these were the things where I was more interested. So those came out very well, and thank you all of you.